Darkness, my old friend, I've come to see you again. And while I was sleeping, I left the seed and I left it in.
Shut the fuck up!
What do you mean?
Shut the fuck up! Who the fuck wants to hear that song?
Dude, everybody loves that song.
Yeah, but you're singing the shitty one by fucking... whoever that fucking guy is. Fucking the Monkey Man. No, do this. No, I can't do that. You suck at it. That's definitely not it. Oh my god. Hello, darkness.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.